Hey y'all, so I got my studio kind of rehabilitated and hopefully set up to record some more lessons here more often. This is kind of, the whole thing had to get redone. But this is a phrase that came from Dead Flowers from a student that's about halfway across the country. He's working on it. Buddy Cage, believe. And it's just 3, 4, and 5, and it's over a G chord. And if you're pick blocking, it works. Or if you're palm blocking. I mean, I like palm blocking for one reason, is I think like the position of palm blocking with your hand, you can still pick block. And I don't necessarily know if that works exactly like that the other way. I don't feel like it does. But anyways, either way, however you're blocking. 3, 4, this is over just a gamma chord, G major. Just 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 5, bring in the pedals. And you gotta mute that 3 and 4 here as we listen to it. Let's hear it one time. Yep, so it's a good little blocking exercise if you're working on that. So 3 and 4, bring in 5, then 3 and 4. So the key is like you block 3 and 4 as you bring 5 in. But then you don't block 5 as you play 3 and 4 again. So that's just a single note there. And then you still leave that ring as you hit 3 and 4. And then you bring the 5 off again. And I would work on doing it with all kinds of combinations, 3 and 4, or just 3. And then hit 3 and 5 at the end. That's always going to be. Yeah. And if you want to send a tip, you can click the Tip the Yen link. It's super simple. I wrote the app. Thank you.